Wow, will you take a look at how pretty it is out here today? What a day, guys, what a day. So we've got a bunch of things that I'm working on. Today we're going to show you some fun stuff with the little boat and the little bird. So we're going to check out first how this flies real quick. I might have to change up the battery. I'm not sure how much battery is in here. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. And it's got plenty of battery, so that's fine. That's fine. And we're going to check out the boat. And the boat will be sailing. This is a boat that I got on the recommendation of the RC Sailors. And it is amazing. So I'm going to attach the leads together and make sure that it's running. And so that will be a breeze in a second, but we're not going to start that off yet because we don't want to waste battery while we fly the DJI Mini 2. We'll have all the components that we need ready to go. We're going to have the Hubsan Zeno Mini SC2. And I just noticed that we have gimbal guards on everything, so we probably need to get those off. Let's get this up and running. Whoa, lots of birds are coming to hang out. Over there we've got multiple things running, multiple phones and stuff. Let's get this all up and running. What's going on here with this? Pretty sure the battery was good. The other, I checked it. It says low battery. What do you mean low battery? I just charged you the other day. Oh, this will be fun. It's gonna go deet 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 all day long now. That's so annoying. So it'll be a pretty short flight then. I was quite certain, as a curtain with a curtain, that it's going to be good. But we've started off on the wrong foot here. And if we do have a little issue of ending up in the lake, that would suck because nobody wants to do that. Oh, so that will suck a little bit. It started doing that horrible sound, making that horrible sound. But anyway, let's get this up and running. We've only got a couple of minutes to get all this running, so I will be back in a second with that. Because this only takes about 3-minute videos, sorry, 5-minute videos, so we're almost there.